Good morning. Hello to you all. My name is Dr. Pankaj Talwar and I work at Birla Fertility and IVF as a consultant and also head medical services. But before I move ahead, I would like to introduce to you Birla Fertility and IVF. At Birla Fertility and IVF, we have got doctors who have got experience of more than 20 years and who have carried out more than 14,000 IVF cycles. We specialize in offering tailor-made treatment for all the couples depending upon their requirement in very transparent and ethical way. In this edition of our talks, we will talk to you about how to diagnose low sperm count or how to diagnose no sperm count and what are the modalities available to us to treat you. Men come to us with low volume semen count or they have low sperm count. Have low sperm count, we label them to be having oligospermia. Oligospermia looks like a complex word, but you have to just see that when we talk about oligo means number. So when the number of sperms become less than recommended by WHO, we say that the man is having oligospermia. WHO defines oligospermia or low sperm count as the number of sperms less than 15 million per ml. And in case any man has got sperm count less than 15 million, we label them to be having oligospermia. Now, when you look at the prevalence of the problem, it is very high. Till around a decade back or till around 1.5 decades back, we had very low number of men who had low sperm counts, but the number is rising very high. And in case we look at our country and countries across, we find that more than 50 to 60% of the men have got low sperm count or they have got defective sperm. So before we start our treatment, every man should undergo a semen analysis. What we have found is that we are basically working on the female partner and the men are normally ignored. So you have to ensure that when your wife visits an ART clinic or a gynecologist, you must also insist on getting your semen count tested, and in case the sperm count is less, then you must visit an andrologist or a gynecologist who is specialized in treating male factor infertility. You must also undergo sperm count testing in case we are having any difficulty in erection, impotence, or performing or having abnormal sexual life. So now what are the ways by which we can increase the low sperm count? The common methods are having a healthy lifestyle, losing weight, having healthy diet, absolve from drinking, smoking, or taking any amount of drugs. And I've also told you that in case the men who go to the gymnasiums, who work out quite a lot, they tend to take some sort of dietary supplements which contain androgens. And when you take these supplementations, that can also lead to low sperm count. So to summarize, what are things we can do to improve our sperm count? We have to lose weight, reduce stress, be happy, do some yoga or meditation, carry out some amount of physical exercises every day, and simplest way is you walk 10,000 steps a day. Come home at the right time and avoid smoking, drinking. So in the diet, what we can do is very simple. There is no need for you to buy very expensive drugs which can burden your pocket. Simplistic way is that in case you can take some good amount of dry fruits every day. I always advise you to take gooseberry, that is an amla, which you can take every day. Half an amla, which is a fresh amla, can really do wonders for you. In case you can take some walnuts, you can take some raisins, it's really going to help you to increase your sperm count. All these nuts, all these vegetables which are green, which are dark leafy, contain high amount of antioxidants. Now it's a new term, antioxidants. So we have to understand that whenever the man is drinking excessively, or is smoking, or is working on laptops or mobile phone, who's got varicocele, the men who have got some amount of diabetes mellitus or who are overweight, we have found that they have got damage to their sperms. So when the damage occurs in the DNA of the sperms, and for that we carry out DNA fragmentation index. So when we take such drugs which are very healthy, we take healthy diet that can improve the morphology of the sperms, that can decrease the DNA damage, and it can also improve the sperm number. And we have to also remember that in the men, one common factor which can lead to male infertility is working in hot environments. In case you look at how the male has been created by the God, in the men, the testes are outside the body. So they are at a low temperature. In case you compare the temperature of the body with the testes are around 1 degree lower than the body's temperature. So for it to work proficiently, the temperature has to be lower than the body temperature. So all the men who take a lot of sauna bath, they work in hot atmosphere. A large number of men who are driving the whole day, or they wear tight undergarments. They are known to have low sperm count. So my advice to you would be, as far as possible, reduce the chance of heating the body's temperature. In case you do that, there's a direct effect upon the testes and it can directly lead to low sperm count also. So these are the common things which can lead to low sperm count or even low sperm count. In case we understand the body's physiology, in case we do the things which I have told you, I'm very sure that your sperm count is going to go up. And along with the sperm count, it will improve our sexual vitality and reproductive health. So we have to know that low sperm count doesn't come alone. It comes along with other conditions which are very common, and these are impotence and reduced sexual vitality. At Birla Fertility and IVF, we are offering you all these facilities under one roof. We have got a very advanced IVF laboratories. We have got very advanced andrology research lab. We got a wonderful team of urologists and andrologists working with you. Our gynecologists are fully trained to handle such issues. And if you have any problem and you're listening to me or seeing me, please come to Birla Fertility and IVF, and I'm sure that we would be able to give you the right answer. So in case you are having male factor infertility or you are not able to conceive for more than 1 year as a couple, do come to us. We'll examine you and we'll put you in the right direction, and that would be the right step forward for all of you. So if you want to contact us, you can call us up directly. You can visit our website. In case you want to meet us, visit us or talk to us, you can definitely go to our website. You can take an appointment from our call center. We are here for you 24/7. You can meet us in person or you can take an online consultation. Thank you very much.